What's good? What's good?
Hey.
What's good, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video about forex trading. So today, guys, I want to talk about something very serious. Before you quit forex trading, watch this. Before you quit forex trading, watch this. Before you quit forex trading, make sure to watch this. So trading takes time, guys, but trading is not like any other career. Let's say medicine. For you to learn medicine, you have to go to school for quite a period of time, So guys, before even I start, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new around here. So guys, make sure to subscribe if you're new around here. Make sure to turn on notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. So most of the time when you come into the forex market, guys, this is a psychology field. It take you time to evolve, but this is how these things work. When you come into the forex trade, you come with that mindset, focus more on money than even learning the skill set. So when you focus more on that, it takes you, it makes you do all these bad things that come with trading, and then you eventually give up. But then you forget that doctors go to school for 7 years, even more, 8 years, I think. But after all that time, they are still going to go and work a 9 to 5, to take up an hour, which is a good thing. Engineers go to school for more than 5 years, depending on what field you are in. I have my friend, he did engineering 4 years in India, then he had to go to Dubai and complete another 3 years for repairing airplanes and all that. But again, this is all the period of time, 6 years. Then guys who do pharmacy, they do a pharmacy for 4.5 years or 4 years. And then they have to come back to their countries, then do it. But again, it all takes time. So the difference with all these things is that with forex trading, you don't need that much time. In a period of 7 years, traders, if you're trading, the first 2 years can be very tricky and hard. But in those first 2 years, this is a time where you have to really focus, put in the work, know what forex trading is and all that. So every year trading the forex market, you have to elevate. You have to elevate, want it or not. Because whatever mistake that you have done in the past, you can't repeat it. You can't repeat it this year, So forex trading just needs some aspects that can't be bought by money. Most of the guys think when you enter the forex market, the hardest thing is capital, money, and all this. But again, that's not the hardest thing. The hardest things are discipline, consistency. These are things that can't be bought by money, and they cost much more than money, and they can even cost you your lifestyle. To be honest, traders, the level of focus that you need while trading the forex market for you to be able to make money, guys, it takes quite much. To be honest, traders, it takes way too much. But again, this is not for the weak. Forex trading was created around psychology. So anything that was created around psychology, guys, it needs you to give it your all in. Backtesting on weekends. Looking at the charts, preparing yourself mentally, physically. But again, you don't expect to try to be trading in the market. You just wake up, boom, straight to the charts. You haven't prayed, you haven't showered. Most of the guys even claim that I'm doing forex trading as my full-time job. But again, you just wake up, you go straight to the charts. That is very impossible, guys. You need to wake up, make your bed, shower, have breakfast, and then go to the charts. Put on as if you're going to do a full-time job, like a serious thing. This is how you get yourself mentally and physically ready for the markets. But again, I've seen even traders, they want to give up just because they have quickened the process, put in money, invest without even learning about forex trading. So meaning you're into something that you don't even have any clue about. You haven't gone through really the hard stuff, and you want to already give up, traders. So this is my advice to you guys. First, research what forex trading is, because to be honest, forex trading, we are just basically exchanging currencies for one another. It's either euro versus dollar or GBP versus dollar. So I'll give you an example on how we trade. So we are trading currency pairs. So basically, you just have to go and analyze what currency pair is going to shoot up or shoot down. So you have to make sure to analyze this before price shoots up or shoots down. Then you just buy or sell. But the level of buying and selling it will need you to have discipline, focus, so that you can be able to do this for the next few months or years, whatever you want, guys. But again, you need focus, you need discipline, you need consistency, like you need all these aspects when it comes to trading in the forex market, because this market, if you don't apply these key things, you're going to end up blowing up accounts and losing money. Forex trading can either make you or break you, traders. So guys, forex trading can either make you or break you. But again, the thing here is focus, learn what forex trading is, and then try as much as you can to relate forex trading with other businesses. Because to be honest, guys, forex trading has so many benefits. You can be able to travel. Now, right now I'm on holiday, as you can see. I'm on holiday, you can see. I'm on holiday right now. But I get to work. I already have my Exness, guys. I'm using Exness. Make sure to get the Exness broker. This is the most traded broker here in Uganda, guys. Make sure to get the Exness broker. So guys, you can see, you can literally just walk from anywhere you want. You can be on the plane, like even my guy behind the camera, and you know, business trip, you're forex trading, you're already making money. So with forex trading, you don't need to start up with a lot. You know, you don't need to have a shop to start. Let me show you what you need. Let me show you. Come with me. First of all, you need money. You need a pen and a book. Then obviously, you need a phone. You need a phone to trade. It shouldn't be expensive. You can either decide to use a cheap phone like this, it will make you money, or you can decide to an expensive one. Just make sure it has to be making you money. Then obviously, you need a quiet place. So this is the most important thing. You need a computer. It shouldn't be very expensive. You need a computer.
But that is expensive.
Okay, as long as you can analyze charts, as long as you can access internet, that's all you need, guys. That's all you need to start trading the forex market. But again, guys, before I wind up, remember the most important things when it comes to trading the forex market: focus, discipline, consistency. You know, psychology. These are things that take time to acquire. These are things that you're not going to acquire just in 2 years, 1 year. It can even take you 4 years to acquire. But again, as long as you're focused, you're writing down your mistakes, you're backtesting, you're doing everything, guys. Trust me, you won't fail. But if you decide to give up right now, you will never be able to make Benjamin Franks. You will never be able to chill. You know, where's my drink? You won't have this good time, guys. So make sure, guys, as I'm winding up, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. And guys, remember, when you give up, you won't be able to make Benjamin Franks. See you.